Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to enroll to PNC Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for PNC Bank. So here it is. Now simply click on this first website over here and click on sign up. And here in the bottom, we can see this enroll and in online banking. Simply click on this. Now we need to follow all of these 5 steps here. Now choose the type of identification information. Let's go for social security number. Enter your social security number here. Now enter your account information, that is your PNC account number or your personal debit card number here. Now you can choose any of this for the verification of your information. So let's go for enter your online access PIN. You can choose any of this. Now enter the PIN here and simply click on next. Afterwards, we'll go to the next step, that is verification of our information. Once the verification is done, we need to create our username and enter the new password as well. After all of these steps are completed, we can simply log in again and get into PNC online banking interface. So after following all of this step, we can simply get enrolled in PNC online banking. So this is all we need to do to enroll in PNC online banking. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.